What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning back in. Today, we're gonna get into a new Nomadik box. Now, let me show you this box. This box is massive. Now, I think it's in the title. But I haven't even opened this yet. I think this is the October box. I'm not 100% sure. A box this size, it could be a special box. I'm not sure. We'll find out when we get in. But let's talk about Nomadik. So Nomadik is a subscription service. You get 1, 6, or 12-month subscriptions, and it varies on price based on what subscription you choose. If you choose 1 month, it breaks it down to $32.95 per box. If you go 6 months, $31.25 per box. And if you go all the way out to 12 months, it's $29.99 per box. Now, that's what you're paying per box. Nomadik claims to have at least a $50 value per box. They do have an ironclad guarantee. What that means is if we open this box up and it's something I already have, something that's broken, damaged, I can reach out to Nomadik and they will replace that item free of charge. When you sign up, you tell them what kind of cell phone you have, what shoe size you wear. I've gotten socks. Have not gotten any kind of phone covers, but I have gotten like the waterproof sleeves. So you get things that cater to you and things that fit your items that you have. So without further ado, let's just jump in this and see what we got. So we're gonna open this with the Kershaw PT1. Now, I recently did a review of this. I'll put a card up top. You can check this out. This little EDC multi-tool. So get in here and get this box open. Like I said, I don't know. I think this is the October box, but we're fixing to find out. All right, let's get that to the side. And let's see what we have. It feels like there's something big in here. I don't know what it is. We've got packaging. Packaging out. Where's our flyer at? Yeah. There it is. There's our flyer. So, theme is mountain bound. All right, so each one comes with a pamphlet like this. In there, it has a list of all your items that you have. Looks like this one has 6 items, and this is looks like September. So this is we've already done a September box, so this must be a special edition September box because our Nomadik challenge goes until October 28th of 2021. So yeah, let's see what we got in here. So let's just grab something and go. So we have Echo Vessel. We've gotten something from Echo Vessel before. Let's see what we have in here. Oh man, who doesn't like a good travel mug coffee cup? So I love Echo Vessel's lids. That slides, it's not gonna spill. Pops off. Got a cool little sticker in here. And what is this? 12 ounce. So really cool. Got a good O-ring seal on that. Really like that cup. It's got that gray, man. All right. Let's see, what else do we have? Something small. We got gear patches. Can never have enough gear patches. That's from Gear Aid. So we have MH10 LED Lenser headlamp. All right, so let's see. This is the lightest LED Lenser headlamp. For those who seek extremes in the outdoors, equipped with color filters, USB charging, and constant light mode for particularly constant light output. Comes with a pouch, 1 set of rechargeable batteries, a USB cable, and color filter set. Has a 7-year warranty. Once you register this, it has a 7-year warranty. 600 lumens at 150 meters rechargeable. That is pretty awesome. We will definitely have to dig into this and check that out, but that is a very nice headlamp there. What else do we have in here? We have our Nomadik sticker. Check that out. Yuko Survival Fire Starter. You can never have enough of these. Love these. I usually replace that lanyard out. That lanyard's usually pretty cheap. Put some real good 550 paracord on that, and it's gonna last. This looks like it has a multi-tool. It's got a wrench, of course, our bottle opener. You know, everyone's gotta have a bottle opener. And yeah, so we have a fire starting kit. We have 2 things of coffee, base camp blend, medium roast, pour over coffee. So love my coffee. Got a tumbler, so we may have to try that out. And then last but not least, what is this big item here? This is from Rumpel, the original Rumpel puffy blanket. Let's see if we can get into this. So this is not a jacket. This is an actual blanket. It is, let's see. Meet the original outdoor blanket. The original puffy blanket is durable, packable, cozy companion for just about any adventure. Weather resistant, durable, man, washable. See, nothing tells me weight. Yep, weight is 1.2 pounds. I am not gonna try to, no. This ripstop, it feels really good, really soft. I'm not gonna try to pull this out because you know as well as I do, things like this don't go back in, and I'm sitting out here. I don't wanna get it all leaves on it and everything, but this is a 1-person, 52 inch by 75 inch. So we'll get a link in the description below because this is well worth the $30 in my opinion. So really cool blanket. Original puffy blanket, colors deep water of this one if you are interested in the color. It's a blue color, really nice. It's not that heavy. It's 1.2 pounds. This would definitely fit in my backpack to go hiking. I would definitely take this hiking with me, especially as a hammock camper. One more piece of gear to stay warm that's not super heavy. Now I know there's lighter stuff on the market when it comes to top quilts, but this is definitely something that I would keep in my bag and take hiking with me. So there you go, guys. That is what looks like the September box. Has some brand discounts on here for the headlamp, the Yuko gear, and the coffee that you can save some money in the pamphlet from that. So really cool box, mountain bound. So yeah, we're gonna come back and I will definitely give an updated review on this headlamp. Test it out really good. Never heard of this brand, so we're gonna check it out. It says that it's pretty good. Everything looks really cool. Rapid focus, smart light technology, advanced focus system. Let's see, light output, here we go. Main power, mid power, and low power, 600, 250, and 10 lumens. Beam distance, 150 meters, 100 meters, and 20 meters. Runtime on high is 10 hours, medium is 15 hours, and low power, 120 hours. That you can run this flashlight or headlamp on low beam. Pretty awesome. That should get you through any kind of camping, survival, or any kind of situation like that. So really good. So definitely we'll have links in the description below. You can go check them out. I have a link in the description for Nomadik. If you are interested, you can get over and check Nomadik out. And yeah, that's it. Until next time, guys, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.